C++, Object-Oriented Programming. Our agenda for today is to answer the four questions. First, what is OOP? Second, what are classes? Third, what are objects? And last, what are methods? You will learn what are these things as you continue watching this video. So now let's start. First, what is OOP? So, OOP is an object-oriented programming which is faster and easier to execute. It provides a clear structure for the programs, and it also helps to keep the C++ code dry or don't repeat yourself, and makes the code easier to maintain, modify, and debug. It OOP makes it possible to create full reusable applications with less code and shorter development time. After defining what this OOP means, now let us define what are classes. So a class is a template for objects. Now, what are objects? An object is an instance of a class. In C++, an object is created from a class. Here, I created a class of myself that specifies my name, my favorite number, my age, and my favorite snack. The public keyword that you can see on my screen is an access specifier. So, it simply means anyone can access this information um, on the output of this code based from the word itself. After creating the classes, we now proceed to create an object of my class. So, here we're going to set the values and access the attributes. After that, we have to print the attribute values by encoding the my object and using the dot syntax. So a class is a template for objects, and an object is an instance of a class. So when the individual objects are created, they inherit all the variables and functions from the class. Everything in C++ is associated with classes and objects, along with its attributes and methods. Having me as an example is a class, and I do have a lot of traits or what we call attributes wherein that is called an objects. So myself is a class and the objects are my traits and or attributes. Lastly, we have to learn what are class methods. So methods are functions that belongs to the class. And note that you access methods just like you access attributes by creating an object of the class and using the dot syntax. Here, I created again another program that prints out my name. So, I had used the myself, my object, and then my object that my name. So I use the dot syntax. So that is called as the class methods. To print out my attribute value. Kasi iisa lang naman yun. I introduced myself there. Ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching this video.